Hey fam, it's your girl JB here, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have an unboxing for you. I decided to purchase a brand new watch band from Michele, one of my favorite brands. If you know, you know I absolutely love Michele products. Their designs are timeless and the quality is always top notch. So when you purchase a product from Michelle, you get this pretty thank you card, which I think is very sweet of them, just to say thank you for purchasing their products. In addition to that, you get a return label in case you're not happy. But as we know, I'm happy. I love the packaging. They make sure that they package your product in a quality box with quality stuffing to ensure that during transport, your product is safe and secure. Again, I purchased the watch band and it comes in this cute Michelle pouch, similar to a jewelry pouch that you will purchase at a jeweler. I love this pouch because it's great for travel as well as, just protecting my band from wear and tear. I decided to go with a color that I don't own, of course, but also offers me flexibility with dressing it up, dressing it down, as well as changing out different watch faces. This is considered saddle. I love this color. Again, it offers me flexibility that I need. If you're interested in Michelle's products, head over to their site. They are offering 20% off all sale items for Labor Day. Thank you for tuning in. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and like this video. Talk soon.